Dream home in just one tap? Here at Ovialand, our clients can now conveniently pay their reservation fee through our new cashless card terminal. We're heading to Savannah South dahil meron tayong reservation. Our client is from Bulacan. So parami na parami ang nagre-reserve all the way from north to south. So samahan nyo kami! Aside from the smooth transaction, nagustuhan din nila ang ambience and peaceful community dito sa Savannah South, San Pablo, Laguna. Kahit sa social media namin pa lang nila ito unang nakita. What makes them reserve right away, it's also because of the fast turnover. Hindi mo na kailangan maghintay ng matagal bago makalipat. Dahil 2026, may sarili ka ng tahanan.
Yay! Let's get you those keys!
Congratulations po! Yay!
Congratulations po! Ma'am, sir, maraming salamat po sa
Thank you
tiwala
po.
sa amin.
Thank you, ma'am.
Maraming
Thank you,
salamat
sir.
po.